Hey, what's up everybody, I'm Charlie, and today I'm going to be giving you a full review of the Eat Stars Chef Knife and Knife Sharpener. Now you want to stay tuned at the very end of the video to find out how you can get a 20% discount on a future purchase of the Eat Stars Chef Knife and Knife Sharpener. Now for this review, we will be testing both the knife and the knife sharpener, and from there I'm going to give it an overall grade and my personal opinion on it. And that's it. So let's get started with the review.
Here is the chef's knife, and here's the knife sharpener. I like the overall look and feel of this. Very nice. Now for the test, we're going to be using the chef's knife to chop up some onion, some oregano, and some sweet potatoes. And here we have the knife sharpener. It's kind of heavy. I like the look and feel of that. And we're going to sharpen this knife right here. This is a knife I've had for 5 years and it's pretty dull. So we're going to be using that knife. And we're going to use the sharpener to sharpen the knife. Okay, for our first test, we're going to be using the knife. And we're going to chop up an onion, and this is how it looks when we're done. The knife did a very good job at chopping up the onion. Very nice. Here we have some fresh oregano. Now we're going to take the knife and we're going to chop this oregano up really fine. Until it resembles coarse crumbs. And this is how it looks when we're done. As you can see, knife chopped that up really fine until it was coarse crumbs. Very nice. Now for the final test with the knife, here I have a sweet potato, and we're going to take the knife and we're just going to chop this. Sweet potatoes are normally really hard to cut through. Now I'm going to take them and cut them into quarter pieces. The knife did a very good job at cutting the sweet potato. Very nice. I like that. Now for the next test, we will be testing out the knife sharpener. And we're going to be sharpening this knife here. Like I said, I had it for 5 years and it is pretty dull. I'm going to go ahead and give you a demonstration here. Okay, now I'm going to use this knife and I'm going to try to cut this tomato here. And as you can see, I'm applying pressure and I'm even moving back and forth with the knife, and it's not chopping at all. That knife is very dull. So we're going to go ahead and sharpen it. Now what I like to do with the sharpener, I like to take the sharpener and put it at an angle. Take the knife and place it at an angle and just glide it down along the sharpener. And do the same thing for the opposite side. And I also like to take the sharpener and stand it up and just take the knife and just glide it along the sharpener at an angle, like a 20-degree angle. Okay, our knife has been sharpened. Now we're going to go ahead and do a tomato test again. So let's see how this knife does. Wow, look at that. Cut straight through the tomato. Wow, now remember, it couldn't cut through the tomato at all at first. This time, it cut straight through. The sharpener did a very good job. I like that. Like I said, the sharpener did a really good job at sharpening that knife. Very good. Now for the final test, we're going to chop up some sweet potatoes. Did a very good job. Very nice. Here's my overall opinion about the chef knife and knife sharpener by Eat Stars. The chef knife did an outstanding job at chopping the onion cutting the oregano until it became coarse crumbs, and chopping through a sweet potato, which is hard to cut through. The knife sharpener did an outstanding job at sharpening my dull knife. At first, my knife was so dull that it couldn't even slice through a tomato. But after using the sharpener, my knife sliced through that tomato like it was new again. Overall, this product is really good, and I recommend it to anyone. Overall, I give this a grade A. If you want to purchase this product, I have the link to the webpage in the comments section and in the description box. If you want the 20% discount, email me at charliethecookandrews.com, and you're going to type 20% discount in the subject line. The first 100 people will receive the 20% discount. All discounts are active until February 10th. I hope you all enjoyed this review. Thank you all for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye.